everyone, and welcome to another episode of our podcast, Plants, Flowers, Oils, and Whimsy. I am your host, Carrie Scharf. In this episode, we'll be talking about the challenges of winter skincare and the 5 best ingredients to help keep your skin radiant in this drying season. We'll also delve into a discussion about an upcoming workshop that aims to help you arm yourself with custom skincare regimen, self-care rituals, and journaling practices to make your winter not just bearable, but enjoyable. So let's get started. Winter is definitely a tough cookie to crack as it poses challenges to maintaining our glowy skin due to cold air, low humidity, and indoor heating influenced dryness. But fear not, lovely people. This journey takes us to the magical world of natural, nourishing ingredients that can help restore that lost hydration and keep your skin glowing throughout winter. Our first stop is the land of shea butter. Deriving from the generous nuts of shea trees, this creamy and rich moisturizer does wonders to soothe our dry and irritable skin during winters. Its consistency, packed with fatty acids and vitamins, provides a protective shield against the harsh weather. Make use of this gem in body butters, facial creams, or lip balms for deeply hydrating and reducing inflammation. Next, let's bask in the aura of rose hydrosol. This hydrating toner gracefully balances our skin's pH and imparts a natural glow. Its mildness and anti-inflammatory properties aid sensitive or dry skin, which is certainly a winter essential. Imagine refreshing your tired skin while soothing any irritation and leaving a light floral fragrance to uplift your mood. Jojoba oil, our next discovery, is a liquid wax resembling the skin's natural sebum. It effectively prevents your skin from any moisture loss, with its non-greasy property and easy absorption. Moreover, its antimicrobial properties make it suitable for those of us who have acne-prone skin. Moving on, we acquaint ourselves with soothing and hydrating aloe vera, the panacea for dry, flaky skin. Its natural cooling effect relieves irritation, making it a versatile choice for everything from moisturizers to face masks. It leaves the skin feeling quenched, soothed, and restores the skin's natural barrier. Finally, we have our dear friend oatmeal. This finely ground agent is frequently used in skincare products due to its soothing and anti-inflammatory properties. It's especially beneficial for eczema-prone or severely dry skin, which establishes it as an unquestionable winter essential. Implementing these ingredients into your routine doesn't require a complete overhaul. You just need to start small. Be it adding shea butter to your body lotion, spritzing rose hydrosol as a toner, or using oatmeal in a soothing face mask, these small changes will make a significant difference in how your skin feels this winter. Before we wrap this up, let me invite you to an exciting workshop on skincare, self-care, and seasonal renewal that embraces all these ingredients and much more. This workshop is more than a skincare advice class. It's a guide to help you stay radiant, relaxed, and reflective throughout winter. Now, that's what I call a transformation. The workshop will be available on December 21st with only 10 spots open, so save the date. For those interested, make sure to find all the information in our show notes. That brings us to the end of another informative episode here on Plants, Flowers, Oils, and Whimsy. I am your host, Carrie Scharf, signing off, and hoping you enjoy your journey to radiant winter skin. If you're looking for a detailed recipe or additional ingredient recommendations, reach out to me, send me a message. I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to check the show notes for any links mentioned in today's episode. Stay beautiful, people, and until next time.